Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dixit. I'm a dermatologist practicing in Bangalore from the last 15 years. We all know that the skin is a self-exfoliating organ. That means that as it keeps evolving, the dead layers of the skin are automatically shed. And this shedding process is what gives you a fresh looking skin every time you wash your face. But as we grow older and we enter into 25, 30s, what happens is that this turnover becomes sluggish, it becomes slower. Skin is still capable of making new skin, it's just that the dead skin is not being shed off very effectively. So much so that it is very obvious in the face, but it can be also obvious in the body. So this is seen as dull skin, dry skin, scaly skin. It can also be seen as brown spots which are developing on the face or on the body. So body polishing is a mechanical method of removing the dead layers of the skin using a machine called a microdermabrasion machine. This can be done with water and it is called a jet peel. So in this procedure, we use either crystal or a diamond brader which vacuums off the dead layers of the skin and abrades gently so that it's removing only the superficial upper layer of the skin. So what happens because of it? There is increased blood flow, the skin becomes younger, tighter, as well as the dead skin is removed, so the newer skin looks and appears more radiant, more fresh. Definitely we recommend body polishing for people who are above 30 years of age as a maintenance treatment to keep away the dead skin and the clogged pores, once a month for the face and once in 2 months for the body to keep the skin looking young.